Hi guys, welcome to our assembly line. Today I will show you one of our very popular RV air conditioner in American market. It's a very compact mini 12 voltage RV air conditioner. Let's take a look. You can see this compressor is very fantastic. It's a screw compressor with a very good power capacity. They can produce the cooling capacity is almost 10,000 BTU. And you can see inside is the evaporator. All the tubers are copper. And here is the condenser. Is a big fan here. And this is the controller. You can see the cable. The wire is very thick. Make sure it's very safety for your use.